Body, this is Chocolate Fiat Queen back with another video. So you guys know that I decided to start a dread journey for my son, who is just turned 5 years old. I did two strand twists for him on October 2nd of this year, 2021. I just washed it, conditioned it, and now I am going to do the first twist. I'm using my Dynasty Curl products, and yeah.
I feel something familiar. I can't remember where we met before. Another me is flying around and told me that it's cold free. I wanna touch everything.
I really liked getting his hair done, but this is the greatest decision I made for his hair. He didn't cry at one time. He didn't ouch, ooch, start crying, screaming, none of that stuff. So I'm glad I made the choice to start his journey with dreads, and I think it's going to turn out really good. Finished product. I'm happy with it. Nice and simple. His hair is really soft. I told him to shake it. He wants to do this.